man. Yo, guys, wagwan, bro. Looking rough right now, you know. Fix up myself a little bit, you know. Yo, I'm back in the game. Yo, oh shit. One sec, guys. Oh shit, shit. Woo! Guys, that was a close one, bro. Playing Fortnite right now. I almost died in the storm. Bumbleclad, bro. Alright, me in the zone. Yeah, guys, yo. Back with the next vlog. Yo, today gonna be sick. Yeah, I don't mean too much of talking and this and that, you check. But yeah, bro. Back in the game. Back with another vlog. So today I'm gonna do some measurements for my windshield. I'm gonna do some measurements for my windshield so I can get a big banner sticker on the windshield. Maybe this might be in this vlog. I don't know. If I get it in time, it might be in this vlog. But yes, I have that to do. I have Bumbleclad. Yo, somebody come shoot me. One sec. Yeah, man, but just hear somebody. I just heard someone, you know. Let me see if I get a quick kill with y'all on here. Find somebody and mash them up right now. If you're watching this, add me on Fortnite, Homer, Diego 268. I'll put the name in the bottom of this video. You see me? I'm gonna hold time my time. Oh, Fortnite for kids, bro. Move on the. You seeing? Bro, the oldest person I play Fortnite with is 55, bro. That's what all you niggas talking about, fam. Let me see if I find somebody for this kill real quick. Come on, one kill. There's one kill. This one, that is it. Little action up this way, you know? Wait there? What the heck? Yo, but just hear the shots, you know. Fucking hell. I gotta go on foot. Alright, guys, you see? Oh, what? John Woodards! Bro, that's crazy, bro. Yo, them things get me heated, bro. Yo, Bumbleclad. Anyway, guys, yeah. Yo, that's why I'm in a video called Gal and Son of Dog. You check? Alright. Yeah, I'm look good over here. For the girls watching, you check? Yeah, but yeah, so so I'm gonna do the windshield banner and bam. I want to paint over my calipers too, so yeah, it could be a little fresh look-ish. So yeah, so I can do that. And yeah, I ordered my metal engine mount, so stay tuned for that one. That's gonna be the next vlog. So I can start ripping, bro, and doing little burnouts, bro. You know, how long I'm doing burnout. Last time I tried to do it, I track the engine mounts broke, so yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned. Today gonna be sick. You know, now I can tell you what I'm going, but just look, bro. Ah, swear. Yo, this video sponsored by Epic and Water. Ciao. Yo. Canadian, Swiss francs, convert into independent currency. We get happy confident over. Yeah, guys, you don't know. If you hear any squeaking, it's my disc pads in the back. But let me see. Blood clot, no light there. Yeah, I'm done buy them. You see, so this will just put them on. And if you hear another song, a kind of rattling song is one of my shock mounts. But yeah, I'm a shop on the way, you see, so yeah, I'm not an old car. Cause I just want to change, you see.
Josh, pick up yourself on the then out of a shooter, circle him into the brand new Ruger. Boy, brain fly without a damn visa, with up the mouse like Hurricane Lisa. Same war, but I'm me at the teacher. Rifle sing and I beat ya. Big 4-5 that I do the damn killing, and as if I violate 6 I do the damn drilling. You know what I me? Evil. Circle elements in a vehicle. Boy, brain fly like eagle. You know what I say? Evil. Evil. Circle elements in a vehicle. Boy, brain fly like eagle. You know what I say? Evil. What's the way evil and dark? We don't have no heart. Boy, this is back, so we aim for him, man. Copper and lead, the boy just dead. We run the city red, a gun in for red. I boss him like the place him draining. Shot dust broke off it, man, like trailing. Circle lemons, dog, we do the drilling. Down for your brains, just flying our ceiling. Boy, this is spin, boy, this is spin. Circle lemons in a vehicle. Boy, brain fly like eagle. You know what's the way? Evil. Evil. Circle lemons in a vehicle. Boy, brain fly like eagle. You know what's the way? Evil.
Yo, I know y'all hear that squeaking, bro. Yo, that shit just get me so upset, right? Make man feel like man has some kind of old car box. That fucking squeaking, bro. Bumbo clock. Yeah. Yo, fellas, remember the Black Beast? Yeah, man. New head, different cams. Yo, I'm not even guy no more dog, you check? Yo. Take him off for blocks today. Cam down the road and see what I go on for it. See it? Machine.
So weird, right, man? So weird, right?
So loosen like a
Bumble. Me, how is that? Is your battery good?
You dead?
Yeah, so I might have to use.
Jump on.
Jump up.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so I figured out the problem. I'll just change the start now and see what go on. Yeah, guys, drop in the comments for him to be patient, you know. I said there's some you go sometime. You check?
Well, fucking people. I'm gonna keep my patient. Bex no fucking. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yo, okay, the battery start the car come with something, boy.
Or the
Tell me what the battery car back up again. We could have come to something.
Okay. Hey, here. What, you want to use some battery? Oh. Oh.
whole fucking something.
This exercise look a patience, dog.
Why fuck patient? Patient over the hospital.
When you're frustrated, it can become difficult to go in. Deep breaths, deep breaths.
Yo. Yeah. See what I got there?
Oh, swing them?
Yeah.
Yes, so I just get the machine started. Yeah, boy. I'm on my 17th bottle of water for the day. You check. I'll do a little fine tuning now. Eh? Come, man. I just want my fans in them. The woman fans see the brown eyes in them, you check. Catch on what? And flip. Flip it up.
You can catch the flip down.
So then we get change, boy. A snow tire now.
So
Which me glad them they done, dog.
Catch the flip still. Second have more time for me next time.
Darling, where you are though? Yo, my hand a shake, boy. You can tell me hungry, boy. My hand a shake, boy. Yeah, boy. I mean, darling, boss. It's so cool. They say make a move. Yeah, boy. We get some food right now. KFC right over there, but no, not KFC today. Yeah, local drink.
No juice.
No, nothing to drink.
No juice at all. Finish.
Till I got choke, boy. Ice day. Alright, let me get a cup of ice. A joke. No. There's a joke on you, man. You know, I'm gonna try the ginger beer. Ginger beer, raspberry rush. Yeah, that's it. Yo, wagwan, Ted. Yo, wagwan peeps. Back again, you know. Sit down yesterday, it was just there, just getting it started and everything. No, gonna head, Ted's on a beat, boy. Now, gonna head back up there. Yeah, I'm dressed like a dirty team. I had on too much swag yesterday, boy. I almost oiled up my bedazzled jeans, you check? But yeah, gonna head back there now and put it on all fours, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive. He already did the fine tuning and everything, so so yeah, just journey with me, man. When we're done, we're gonna get a wash down. I forget to have overseas people watching, so I have to mix up the lingo a little bit. So yeah, guys, I'm finna get a wash down later, It's finna be awesome, bro. So yeah. Yo, man, you go barber, boy. Yo, man, you go barber, bro. Yeah, guys, lick more.
When I shoot, I never stop. We on the block, we keep it block. If a nigga move, hollow tips at your fucking top. I'm fucking these bitches, I'm dodging this, I'm counting on rich and my trigger finger itching. Chopper Berettas and Glocks, the town, your life is on the dot. My nigga, we cut the with this and Glocks. We infrared bang, we light your block. Young nigga like me, they got 2 Glock. If a nigga had moved, then his ass get popped. By the rail on the block, they'll keep them Glock. If a nigga had moved, then his ass get popped. Pow, pow. CBG the move, man. You know how we rockin' it. Keep 30s in our pocket, man. No lack of when they feel by the drill, nigga. Fuck the other side.
In the game, they call me the king. Fast cars, switching lanes, paparazzi in the rear. Find this shit, nigga. Let's just make it clear. Soldier wanna go on the pioneer. I'm the first rapper rockin' bangs on the everything I got so clean, yo. Legend in the game, huh? They call me the king. I'm the first to do it, don't forget the name.
Yeah, we're there again. So double check on everything. Make sure everything's safe. Check.
And there's any fuck, but it's some boy do this side.
Yeah, right. I'm saying, let's do some fine tuning. But man, if I big up my props in, I'm doing out to
No
you.
pop star. You must think of Christmas.
Yeah, peeps, I'm gonna do like a headworks yesterday, check. Checks, now the boy went on clean.
So the boy just like big time. On camera.
The boy, no, last night, dream about the car.
This car.
This year.
Mm-hmm.
Dream that. Me they drive and the boost the boost cut in until I'm in a third gear.
Mm-hmm.
You check me the sign now.
I'm saying, you tell me about something like that. If you keep it to yourself, maybe that happen, but you can see what you're dreaming about. So you don't happen.
I mean, I'm dreaming about it. Nah. It try and boost start licking the third.
Who started in the third? That's impossible.
That I'm a dream now. Is it time I'm a dream?
You dream the one me can't pass. You're fucking lie. You're lying. Cause you just started fucking shit. So you're lying.
You miss? Stop, look. Plug. Yeah. Yeah, just pick up your spark plugs, number 7. I'll go through them in now and see what's going on, Yeah, just reach back on the turf now. Put in the spark plug now, just snap you see and bread. Chicken and coke, yo. Sick.
The food that's what show people.
Yeah, a vibe, no dog. I mean. Bachi.
Yeah. A battery problem. You know me catch all that?
Mash it.